Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I am super excited to share with you an amazing set of air fryer accessories that will take your air frying experience to the next level. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews and recommendations. Now, let's talk about the best-sell air fryer accessories for Gowise Phillips Cozyna and Secura. This set of 5 high-quality accessories is specifically designed to fit all air fryers ranging from 3.7 QT to 5.8 QT, made from durable metal, carbon steel, and stainless steel. These accessories are built to last and withstand the high temperatures of air frying. What's included in this set, you ask? Well, you'll get a versatile cake barrel, a pizza pan for delicious crispy crusts, a metal holder for skewers and kebabs, a shelf for maximizing the cooking space, and a silicone mat for mess-free cooking. With these accessories, the possibilities are endless. From baking to grilling to roasting, you can do it all with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned air fryer enthusiast, these accessories will open up a whole new world of culinary creativity for you. Imagine serving up perfectly cooked dishes that look and taste like they came from a professional kitchen. With this set of accessories, you can make that a reality. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your air frying game and unleash your inner chef with the best-sell air fryer accessories for Gowise Phillips Cozyna and Secura. Trust me, once you start using these accessories, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without them. Check the link in the description to get your hands on this must-have set of air fryer accessories. Don't miss out, and thank you for watching.